All right, here's a quick comparison of the WorkPro torque sticks and a traditional torque wrench. So we have here the set that was given to me by WorkPro. I want to thank them for sending us this unit. So now I don't have to worry about doing everything by hand and can use my impact wrench to install my tires on my Honda Fit. We've also got a Toyota Highlander and a Honda Civic in the family. And we live in a climate that requires a lot of tire changes when the seasons change from winter to summer. And we swap the tires every single season for that. And so this unit itself comes in a nice blue case with red tips here. Keeps it nicely in place. And you've got the entire set here with the torque sticks. You've got 140 pounds, 120 pounds, 100 foot-pounds, 80 pounds, and 65. Specifically in most of my vehicles with factory wheels, they use the 80-pound feet. And so they're also all color-coded, so you can see at a glance which torque stick you can use on your vehicle. It's a really nice construction. Impact colors. See, I've got them all here. And I'm just using a regular battery-operated torque impact wrench. And I'm just going to show you on my vehicle. I don't want to remove them fully, but I'm going to loosen them. On this vehicle, they're kind of special. They're 17. They're usually like 19 or 21. So I'm going to pull them back. I'll do a couple here just for example. Okay. So traditionally, you would get your torque wrench and then bring it back until it's hand tight and bring in your torque wrench. So this here is the Yayi. It's a nice torque wrench here, and I've already set it to, you can see I'm trying to get on the camera, 80 pound feet. There's the 80 over here. Okay, there we go. So that's the 80 pound feet. And you'll probably say, yeah, you're not using the right sockets. I know, I got to get impact sockets, but this is what I got at home. So that's the one I'm going to use. Okay. So usually we'll do it like this until it clicks on. But when you've got the torque wrench, the impact socket, watch your ears, this is going to get loud. Shabam. So the torque is limited to 80 pound feet. So that's not going to move. Now I can show you what it looks like checking with the torque wrench. Well, I need the extension. So that's what's nice about the torque sticks. They're already extended. So you just pop them on your impact wrench and you're good to go. So it's at 80. I felt like it was maybe an eighth of a turn. Oh, this one is good by hand. So this one's just close to that 80 pound feet. Now let me show you again what it looks like. I'm gonna pull it back. This one. Tough one. Let's pull it back a bit more. I'll show you what it looks like. So you got to put the socket on, slip it on. So this is a 20 volt maximum brand of torque impact wrench. And let's do the torquing again. With this test. And the other thing that you need to check is also the length of your adapter can also affect the torque. So very close to the 80 pound feet. So I'll show you again, 80 pound feet, and maybe it's a tad over. But that's what it looks like using this torque stick. You can get it right up to the 80-pound feet. It's without damaging your wheels. Get them done really quickly. It comes in, again, this beautiful case. I hope this answered all of your questions. I'm going to review another WorkPro product. I do these kind of reviews all the time, for whether it's for cars, home, DIY, dad life, family life. So please consider following the channel if you like these type of reviews. Thank you for your time.